East facing 6 BHK fully furnished. Newly built triple-story house for sale. On ground floor, 2 bedrooms, drawing, dining, modular kitchen, 2 toilets, backyard, and car parking space. On first floor, 2 bedrooms, drawing, dining, modular kitchen, balcony, 2 toilets. On third floor, fully furnished 2 bedrooms, drawing, dining, kitchen, balcony, 2 toilets. 3,000 square feet built up area, vertrified tiles flooring. Best for residential and commercial purposes. Location, Mayur, Vihar, near Munshipulia metro station, Indira Nagar extension. Lucknow. Demand 75 lakhs. Call for more details on given number.